Hello all, welcome to my channel once again. So in this video I'll be showing the installation process of the door visor of Toyota Hyryder, especially in black color. So you can see the installation process started. So I didn't purchase this from the Toyota shop. I actually purchased from outside, and this particular shop is located in Hyderabad. This is Bharat Car Decors, located around Uppal in Hyderabad, LB Nagar Uppal area. The phone number has been given in the description also in the beginning of this video. You can contact for Hyryder or any other car for the accessories. The best thing is that the prices are very much affordable. They don't overprice you. The owner is very friendly and helpful, and the technicians out here are very much knowledgeable and also trustworthy. They know how to do their work precisely and they behave very properly. So this is a 6-piece setup. In online you'll be getting for 1300 or something, and here they charge me 1600 for a 6-piece setup with a chrome insert. As you can see, it is being done very meticulously. I'll suggest you to buy it from Bharat Car Decors in Hyderabad. One more thing, they have a HDFC POS machine as well. So if you are using an HDFC card, debit card, credit card, you will get a better reward point, in which there will be better discounts once you redeem those points. So you can contact Bharat Car Decors. This is the shop, and the Google review and the Google link will be given in the description.